Welcome, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are the Baileys, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get the kids ready for school in the morning because usually I work nights and I come home at 7 a.m. or a little bit after 7 in the morning, like 7:10, and the bus comes at like 8:05. So we literally have like 1 hour and a little bit just to get out of the house and to get on the bus. Good morning, guys. I am up. It's 6:49. I'm gonna try some plantain. Gonna make some plantain, fried plantain and eggs for the kids them breakfast, and then try to get them ready and out the door for school. So usually the bus come around 8 o'clock. So 6:50 now, so I pretty much have 1 hour and a little bit to have breakfast ready, have lunch ready, and them get dressed and everything. I said, I didn't take me half of the plantain. The plantain start to go. Try to turn them on them burn. Come on. So I didn't work last night, so I am up a little early. I have a little head start this morning to get them ready. Mickey wants to help mommy, so she gonna crack some eggs. Give me the shell, mommy. Give me the shell. Thank you.
Yucky, yucky.
Yeah, nobody wiping out your clothes now. Here. Wiping out this. Yeah. Crack the other one. Uh-huh.
What? Okay. Look. My look.
You crack?
There's the crack.
Okay. Michaela is so helpful. Whatever I'm doing in the house, she comes and try to help me with it. If I buy groceries, she come and take out all the fruits and wash them and put them in the fridge. So I'm really, really thankful for her. So I just put some salt and pepper and Mickey gonna mix it out. So you can put it in the pot, Mickey. Good job.
I can take it.
It's ready?
No.
I'm just going to pop some pancake in the toaster. In the meantime, okay, so
Mom, I want pancake.
you want pancake? You told me you don't want any pancake. Huh? I even put croissant out for you, but okay, I will change it. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, so the breakfast is ready, guys. All the kids them. Just making some tea for the boys because they love, love, love their mint tea or hot chocolate in the morning.
Mommy, did you plant the Christmas tree?
When we come back from school. Good morning. You're tired. Can't wake up because you went to bed late. See, I tell her to go to bed. You're around there talking, talking, talking. Now you can't wake. Go sit down at the table and eat your breakfast. I'm making some tea for you. Eat up, guys. Careful, Joe. You guys are eating like zombies. So I tried to put at least 2 fruits in their lunch bin. So they have cantaloupe and apple today, and this is just like croissant with ham. Okay, lunch is ready. And it's 7:30. So we're gonna focus on getting dressed now and try to head out by 7:55 to get the bus. Hurry up, put on your snow pants. It's cold today. It's winter. The bag there is at the front door.
Mommy,
What?
when is first Christmas? Are we staying home?
Christmas, we're gonna go to Auntie Kika's house.
Yes.
Yeah.
I wanna go at the
We're all gonna wear pajamas and go to Auntie Kika's house for Christmas.
Mom, I wanna go to your house.
For Christmas, Mickey. Christmas dinner.
Mom, Kika.
You want what?
What's the white shoe?
No, you have to wear your snowshoes. Okay? Let's get your jacket out. When you go inside, you can press Mickey. Yeah. To the pool, Mickey? We can go to the pool. You see how windy it is? It's so windy. The breeze is blowing. We have Mickey, we're going to the bus. Okay? I don't know. You wanna go? You wanna stay in the car? So stop the crying then. And let's go. Joe, remember to listen to your teacher and the bus driver, right? Right, Joe? Joe. Right? Let's go. Joe, leave it at mine. You break the garbage bag. Oh God, it's so windy and it's raining a little bit. Aww. Bye. Bye, Joe. Josiah, bye.
Yo, the bus! The bus! Wait for us! Wait for us!
Let's wave to them, Mickey. Okay, Mickey, let's go. Go to daycare. Are you ready, Mickey? Are you cold, Mickey? I can see your face, Mickey. I'm dropping Mickey to daycare, but she fell asleep. What the? Wake up so early to tell me she want an egg. Now she's sleeping. So